Hey, what is up guys, hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of TechFlip. So in this episode we're going to talk about why in your Android phone preparing SD card happens and what is lost directory folder after this preparing SD card. The thing is, there are several reasons why this preparing SD card happens. So the first thing that is if your device shut down while doing something over your memory card, and the next thing is if you're downloading some files from internet over your SD card, then it also happens. And if you are sharing some files through Bluetooth or NFC, then if your device suddenly shut down, or if you pick the memory card from your mobile device, then preparing SD card also happens. So these are the common things why lost directory and also preparing SD card happens. So now let's talk a little bit of in-depth thing. If in your Android phone that lost directory folder is available, go inside of that thing and you will see that there is nothing exactly. But if you want to test yourself, then what you can do is exactly you drag the charge of your mobile devices something like 1 or 2%. After that, download something from internet, and after a little while when your device shut it down, put your device on charge and turn your device, and you can see that in that lost directory folder you will see that turn off and file that says that turn off or shut down your device and something like that. And if you want to do same thing, and you can do is while you are doing something over your memory card, just pull the memory card out and pull that thing back again, and you can see that preparing SD card and go to your lost.directory folder. There you can find another file. So the thing is, when your device suddenly shut down and when you turn on your device again after charging or doing anything else, then your device tries to recover all the files. So all the files are contained over the SD card. So if your SD card is not inside of your phone, then how it can handle all those files that has been corrupted or something like that. That's the reason when you plug your memory card back again on your mobile devices, then it tries to check that does it have lost.directory folder. If your memory card contains a lost.directory folder, after putting that memory over your phone, then your mobile devices tries to check that if there are some files that was trying to being downloaded from the internet, and also like sometimes it can try to get something from your friend's phone or something like a computer or anything like that. If it finds that there is a file that was being tried to download over the internet and this device suddenly shut it down, then you can recover that thing with very simple recovery software that helps you to recover from lost.directory folder. Then you can download some recovery softwares, and after that you can recover your files very easily. So that's the thing about lost.directory. So the main thing is very simple. If your device shut it down, if you remove your memory card while doing anything over your memory card, like if you shut it down, if you remove the memory card, if you are downloading something and you remove the SD card or something happens with your SD card, then the lost.directory folder created. When you get your memory card out of your phone and you plug your memory card back again on your phone, then your device and your device tries to get all those files back on your phone, and that's the reason it tries to convince that lost.directory file that give me some files that it was trying to get. So that's the simple thing about the lost.directory folder, and also very simple thing about why your mobile devices, especially Android devices, try to make recovering files or preparing SD card. Very simple. And if you ask me that why iPhone doesn't do that, the reason is very simple, that iPhone doesn't have any external memory that needed to be verified or needed to be downloaded or something like that. But in your Android phone, most of the people, like still me, that I have a 32 gigs of memory card over here and my storage is 32 gigs, but the memory storage is very less because of that operating system and all the apps are being used over the internal SD card, internal memory card, and I have another SD card. So I also have that lost.directory folder, and every time when my device is shut down while downloading something over the internet, it creates the lost.directory folder, and ever when I need to download the same thing, then I can simply use the memory card very easily to download all that files that was not available for downloads, and I can download that very easily from the lost.directory folder. Hopefully you guys like this episode of TechFlip. Be sure to subscribe for next videos or anything like that. Till then, what I have to say is goodbye.